Have you ever felt like your paintings are too stiff? That you're focusing so much on precision and perfection that your art ends up looking more technical than expressive? If so, you're not alone, and you're definitely not doing anything wrong. But if you're looking to loosen up your painting style and bring more freedom, movement, and emotion into your work, you're in the right place. Loosening up doesn't mean giving up control completely. It means allowing room for spontaneity, imperfection, and discovery. It's about painting with feeling instead of overthinking every stroke. So let's talk about some practical and mindset-based tips that will help you loosen up and enjoy your painting process even more. One, start with big, bold gestures. One of the quickest ways to loosen up is to paint with your whole arm, not just your wrist or fingers. Use bigger brushes, stand up if you can, and allow your body to move with the stroke. This instantly brings more energy to your work. You can even start your painting session with a few loose, gestural strokes just to warm up. No pressure, no plan, just motion. Think of it as stretching before a workout. 2, let go of the outcome. This might be the most important tip. Release your attachment to the final result. When you're too focused on making a perfect painting, you tend to tighten up, play it safe, and hesitate. Instead, try approaching each painting as an experiment. You're not painting to impress anyone. You're painting to express yourself. It's okay if it doesn't turn out the way you imagined. Every brushstroke is progress. 3, set a time limit. Believe it or not, giving yourself a time limit can actually help you paint more freely. When you're racing the clock, you have less time to overthink. You're forced to make quick decisions and trust your instincts. Try setting a timer for 10, 20, or 30 minutes and paint a quick study. You'll be amazed at how much emotion and life you can capture in a short burst. 4, paint often and paint fast. The more you paint, the more confident you become, and confidence leads to looseness. Try doing daily sketches or painting studies without worrying about finishing them. Quick paintings force you to focus on the essence rather than the details. And when you do this consistently, your natural style will start to emerge. 5, use tools that encourage freedom. Try using unconventional tools, palette knives, sponges, even your fingers. These tools naturally create texture and unpredictability, and they prevent you from getting too detailed. Watercolor artists, for instance, can let the water do some of the work, embrace the flow. Acrylic or oil painters can try dry brushing or scraping techniques. All of this pushes you to respond to the painting rather than control every part of it.
Six. Les meilleures palettes.
Too many color choices can lead to overthinking. Try using a limited palette, maybe just 3 to 5 colors, and focus on how they interact. This encourages you to mix creatively and concentrate more on values, shapes, and composition rather than obsessing over color accuracy. Seven. Work in layers. Think of your painting as a series of steps rather than a single, precious moment. Start loose and light. Block in your composition with general shapes and tones, then refine as you go. Don't worry about the details right away. They can come later, if at all. Often, it's the first layers, the most spontaneous ones, that carry the most life. Eight. Let happy accidents happen. Some of the most beautiful effects in painting come from accidents. A splash of paint, a brushstroke that goes slightly off, an unexpected color mix. Instead of correcting these immediately, take a step back and ask, what if I leave it? Often, these moments are what make a painting feel alive. Nine. Stop before you think you're finished. This one might sound strange, but sometimes we overwork our paintings trying to make them perfect. Train yourself to stop when things still feel fresh. If you're not sure, take a break, walk away, and come back later. More often than not, you'll see that what you thought was unfinished actually holds all the charm. Practice mindfulness and play. Loosening up isn't just a technical skill, it's a mindset. Before you paint, take a few deep breaths. Tune in to how you're feeling. Play some music, light a candle, or do whatever helps you feel relaxed. When you're playful, your brush strokes will reflect it. Think of painting as a form of play, not performance. Remember, it's okay to mess up. It's okay to make weird marks. It's okay to not like everything you create. That's part of the journey. The more permission you give yourself to just paint, the more your authentic, loose style will begin to emerge. So the next time you pick up your brush, try this. Breathe, loosen your grip, and just move. Paint like no one's watching and like nothing is at stake, because that's where the magic happens. Stick around till the end of the video to learn the art and discover all the tips and techniques that will take your painting skills to the next level. Thank you for watching.